Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable baby collar called Arlo using my pattern. So let's just jump right into it. Once you have your pattern pieces cut out, place them right side to right side and sew the bottom edge together with a 1 cm seam allowance. Then I'm gonna trim that seam allowance as close to the edge as I can, and I'm just gonna back out the collar to the right side, and then I'm gonna add a lace of your choice as a decorative touch to the collar. I'm just gonna place it all around it and then trim the axis, and I'm gonna stitch lace to the both panels of the collar. And this is how it's supposed to look like. And of course I'm going to repeat the same steps to the other panel. And then I'm gonna cut the strap for the binding, and of course you can use a binding if you have already. It's just that I didn't have the binding in the color of the lace and I really want them to match, so I just decided to cut the binding from the matching fabric, but you can use any other binding if you have. And then place the two collar pieces together and sew them together just a little bit on the center front to secure them in place. Now that you pin the binding to the collar raw edge, just sew them together, and then you want to fold the straps in half and sew them together, starting from the end of the collar to the end of the strap. And then because the strap was a little bit too wide, I decided to trim it so it doesn't leave any extra seam allowance. Then take a loop turner and turn the straps to the other side. You can also trim the seam allowance or just leave it. And then I'm gonna fold the binding once again to top stitch the raw edge around the collar and just to finish off the collar. And for the top stitch, of course, you can only top stitch the collar, but I decided to start a top stitch from the straps just so it looks a little bit nicer. As for the ends, you can just make a small knot or just leave them raw or make a small back tack stitch. It depends, up to you. And that's your baby collar ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.